Yes, good morning guys and welcome to our presentation for today. And as we all know, really, lahat naman tayo naniniwala, health is wealth, di ba? So
Yeah,
napakahalaga ng ating health kasi no matter gaano ka man kayaman, ang lalaki man ng diamonds mo sa katawan o sa kamay, sa daliri, ang kakapal man ng gold mo, but if you are sick, no, talagang lahat lahat problemado. You
yeah,
won't be able to do activities na gusto mong gawin. Pag stroke ka, lalo
yeah.
na paralyze yung katawan mo, ngiwi yung mukha mo. Gusto mo ba yung ganun, guys, no? Marami kang nga
Nope.
pero yung mukha mo, ngiwi. Paralyzed naman, static yung upper and lower limbs mo. Hindi mo maigalaw kasi nga, affected yung function. So, yung activities of daily living mo talaga napakahirap. So,
Yeah,
that's how valuable health is. So, luckily, guys, we have yung therapy devices. We called iTheracare. So, these are the devices that can help us manage whatever health conditions we have right now.
mm-hmm.
So, health is wealth. Yan, no? Kidney problem, knee pain, back pain, headache, stroke,
Yeah,
cardiovascular problem. These are the common problems na na-encounter natin bilang tao.
yep.
So, I'll just push on my slide. Ayan. This is our company, Prive International. It came from the word prime and life. So, prime of our life, that's Prive International. We have been in the market for almost 4 years now. We are on the fourth year. It's a Malaysian company, and these are our board of directors. So from Stephen Lai, Dr. Stephen Lai, Dr. Jimmy Chong, Mr. Go, and Casey Tan. So these are the board of directors of Prive International. They have a lot of experience with MLM industries, with a lot of experience with business, no? So
Yeah,
Malaysian company, and the good thing about our company, it has expanded for the last 3 years, meron tayong branches in 83 countries worldwide. So,
wow.
we will be doing a business. So, this is the only business online using Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
All you have to do, if you have a cell phone, if you have an internet or laptop, and plus the internet, you can already do, the business. If you want to do the business of iTera Care, because ang market natin global. Okay,
Yeah,
I have a team in USA, I have a team in UK, I have a team in India, I have a team in South Africa, I have a team in Uganda. So these are Philippines, UAE, Saudi Arabia. So
wow.
since it's a online business, it's mostly a drop shipping business. So we will just be dealing with innovative products. So
Mm-hmm.
either you want to do the business or you want to do get the products. Either way, panalo ka talaga. So
Yeah,
disclaimer lang, ang mga products natin, hindi siya medical device. This is not considered
mm-hmm.
as a medical device. So, though a lot of health benefits talaga, lahat na nag-try ng iTheracare, lahat sila magaganda yung mga success stories. So again,
Yeah,
yung harsh reality ng life, nakita mo yung ancient people, pinanganak, nabuhay, tumanda, namatay. Mantakin mo yung katulad ng panahon nila Abraham noon, tumatanda sila hanggang 100, more than 100, 900 years old. Ganun sila katanda. But unfortunately, in modern times right now, pinanganak, lumaki, tumanda, nagkasakit, bago
yeah,
namatay. So andun yung sickness eh. Dumating yung
yeah,
sickness. Minsan nga bata pa lang, 'di ba, nagkakasakit na. So and
yeah,
then it will lead to death, no? So sickness, it's a big industry. Yung pharmaceutical, it's a big industry. No wonder
yeah,
ang daming kumikita with regards to medicines, supplements, but actually these are already, patapos na yung trend ng healthcare ng pharmaceutical industry. It's mostly patapos na sila. Why? Because a lot of medicines, toxins yan eh. Yung iniinom mong gamot, nagko-cause ng kidney problem.
yeah,
Kung i-imaginein mo, ang dami ng dialysis centers. Bawat kanto merong dialysis centers eh. Di ba dati wala namang dialysis centers?
yeah,
This is the harsh reality of life. And the common cause of, mortality, kamatayan sa buong mundo, number one dyan is ischemic heart disease, coronary artery disease, CAD. Ang problema dyan, ayan, bara, oh. Coronary arteries, barado sa ugat, either sa puso, heart attack, patay, dead balls. Pag nagbara sa utak, stroke, disable ka. So affected lahat, either mortality or morbidity. Ang common cause, blockages. Pag hindi maganda ang blood circulation mo, may bara-bara sa mga ugat mo, either, you'll be considered as unhealthy. Okay? Blockage is the main cause of body pain. Yung kaya nagkakaroon ng inflammation sa ating cells, sa ating organs, sa ating tissues. Again, 2023, this is the statistics. Heart disease, number one cause of mortality and cancer. My dad just died of heart disease, heart attack last year, and my mom died of cancer also in back 2019. So we cannot prevent this one because of McDonald's, fries, burgers, the food we eat, the pollution that we have. Talagang number one ng heart disease. Kaya napakaganda. Dapat ingatan natin ang health, no? And humanity is searching for the ultimate health hack. Okay? Naghahanap tayo ng ano bang magandang solution for longevity. Okay? And there is a secret healing system in our body that no one is talking about. Kasi meron tayong, the natural force within each one of us is the greatest force in getting well. Sabi ni Hippocrates, and the natural forces within us are the true healers of the disease. Yun yung immune system natin, guys, no? If your immune system is healthy, sugatan yung bata, di ba? Pag sinugatan mo, ang bilis gumaling. Tama, di ba? Pero pag matanda, diabetic, subukan mo sugatan, it will take around 2 to 3 months bago mag-heal. Di ba? Kasi compromise na yung immune system nila. Compromise na yung energy within our body. Kaya kailangan lang natin palakasin yung immune system natin. Kailangan lang natin i-charge yung cells natin para ma-regain natin yung healing natin sa ating katawan. And we can do that in 3 things. So, 3 things we need that nature provides. Ito, pinoprovide na ito ng nature, guys. To achieve ultimate human health, we need the secrets of longevity. And kailangan natin ng grounding, oxygenation, and sunlight. Okay? Yung grounding, yung para ka naglalakad sa lupa. Di ba ang sarap maglakad sa lupa nang walang tsinelas, walang suot na sapatos, or sa buhangin or sa damuhan. Actually, grounding is really, really very, very important and very, very essential. As we dinidischarge, through grounding, dinidischarge nito ang ating, mga bad elements sa ating katawan, papunta dun sa earth. Okay? And we have a device called iTerra Bio and iTerra BioLite. That promotes grounding. Meron tayong oxygenation, yung oxytop natin, kailangan ng good oxygen, kailangan natin sunlight. So we have a device that caters all these 3 elements, the most powerful combo for ultimate health hack. So grounding, ayan, meron tayong iTerra Bio. Magandang iTerra Bio kasi in-improve niya yung blood circulation natin. Meron siyang PEMF technology. Ayan. Yung PEMF, it's a technology na invent ng NASA. So, no wonder yung mga astronauts, di ba, pag nasa taas sila, bakit nami-maintain nila yung health nila? Yung healthy body nila, maski nasa taas sila sa International Space Station, di ba? Because of the PEMF technology. Ang kagandahan, meron tayo na PEMF technology kasi ang nagagawa pala ng PEMF, yung blood circulation, yung red blood cells, pinaghihiwalay niya. Common to sa diabetes, yung viscous yung blood nila, malapot yung dugo, parang kondensada. Magkakadikit kasi, di ba? So, if you will be applying PEMF technology, so yung red blood cells nila, maghihiwalay-hiwalay. Yun ang meron sa iTerra Bio at iTerra BioLite. At ang isang magandang gamit ng iTerra Bio, lose weight. So, we have a product, iTerra Bio or iTerra BioLite, which is good for weight management. So, basically, it improves metabolism, it enhances vitality. We have second product, Oxytop. Ito yung world's first oxygen supplement infuser. It will convert the water into oxygen. So you'll have a fresh oxygenated water. This is invented by Wilson Tan. He's a Singaporean. By the way, si Wilson Tan, siya yung gumawa ng he is the inventor of, he maintains the water and oxygen in the Sentosa. Kung nakapunta kayo sa Singapore, meron tong malaking aquarium, tawag doon Sentosa. Lahat ng species ng water ng sea elements andon, and siya yung nagme-maintain ng aquarium na yun, si Engineer Wilson Tan. So the absence of oxygen, syempre, is the presence of a disease. No wonder nung corona, ang daming namatay. Lahat nakamask lahat nagagawa ng oxygen. magkakasakit talaga. So again, kailangan natin Oxytop, isang device na nire-recommend ko. But we will be discussing itong iTeracare therapy device which mimics 1/40th of the sunlight's power kasi meron tong crystal quartz eh. So we have 4 devices ng iTeracare. The red one, we call it the classic. The gray one is the premium. The newest one is the pink, the premium plus, and we have the pro, the big one. They are all the same. They are all iTeracare devices, emits terahertz frequency, quantum, and optical quartz technology. The difference is the motor. It's like, iTeracare Classic, it's like a Kia. You can use it for 30 minutes, continuously 30 minutes, you can use it. Then you have to rest it for 30 minutes and you can use it again. So it blows hot air. Parang hot blower siya. Hot air blower. So 30 minutes lang siya. Yung premium plus, yung pink, you can use it for 1 hour. So both of them are personal use. Parehas lang siya. Mas mahaba lang yung length ng usage nito ng pink 1 hour. Then you have to rest it. Then you can use it again. Yung premium, yung kulay gray, etong number 2, you can use it for 3 hours. So pwede kay nanay, 1 hour, 1 hour kay tatay, 1 hour kay ate. So 3 hours continuous. Then you have to rest it 30 minutes, pwedeng gamitin ulit. Lahat yan hot air. Etong kulay white block, which is the biggest one, we call it the Pro. The Pro because we are using this one in hospitals already. Clinics, spa centers, physical therapy rehabilitation centers. Yan. And for bigger family, kasi unlimited use yan. Pwede mong gamitin buong araw, maski walang patayan. So it's pang community yan, pang hospital. Magmaraming pasyente, ayan, sunod-sunod, ayan ang pwedeng gamitin. Ang maganda pa dito sa Pro, meron tong hot and cold setting. Gusto mo na malamig, pwede. Gusto mo mainit, pwede rin. Okay? So these are the 4 devices, which is the world's most advanced quantum light wave terahertz therapy device. Okay? So I am Vincent. I have been a physical therapist for more than 23 years now. I have experience in Saudi, UAE, Philippines. So I have handled thousands of clinical cases with regards to pain. Yan ang number 1. Pag masakit, dalhin mo sa therapist. Okay? Physical therapist. So pag namamaga, yung nanay mo, namamaga yung tuhod, may gouty, namamaga yung mga daliri. Okay? Yung balakang mo, may disc prolapse, may sciatica. Namamaga, yung diabetes, namamaga yung blood cells niyan, kaya merong diabetes. So, all of us, all of our, mga loved ones natin, we are all suffering these types of pain. So, even abdominal pain, chest pain, so any pain, okay? As a physical therapist, ito, we are using frequency medicine. Yan yung mga ultrasound, shortwave, diathermy, basta para ma-manage yung pain. These are pain management devices, guys. So, ang mamahal nito, pang hospital, but these devices, these are deep heating modalities, but ang depth of penetration niya, 5 centimeters lang ang depth. Parang isang daliri lang. 1 inch ang depth of penetration ng mga to. Siyempre, ang hirap magkasakit sa panahon ngayon, ang gastos magkasakit, mahal na ng bilihin, magkakasakit ka pa, di ba? Sakit sa ulo niyan. So, if you will not take care of your health, sabi ko sa inyo, all your savings will be wiped out pag hindi nyo inalagaan yung health nyo. Kaya, take care of our health because hirap magkasakit. Guys, that's why I will be sharing to you a device that will help you to manage pain and inflammation, which is the root cause of all diseases in our body. Okay? And this is the iTeracare therapy device. Ang iTeracare, we have undergone 62 clinical tests. These are evidence-based clinical studies that were conducted. So hindi lang tong kwentong barebero, meron tong scientific proof that iTeracare really works. And out of those clinical studies, nag-stand out na ang iTeracare is best for inflammation. Lahat ng namamaga, arthritis, gastritis, lahat ng may itis, namamaga yan. Namamagang panga, namamagang tuhod, namamagang daliri, namamagang atay, namamagang baga, okay? Namamagang kidney, lahat ng namamaga ay iTeracare. Pwede. So it's also good for comprehensive health qualities. Malignant tumor, namamaga. Yung cells mo na lumalaki, namamaga. Virus, diabetes, it's good for brain. Kaya no wonder, napaka-effective nito sa mga stroke patients, mga kulane, lymph nodes, skin, tones the skin. Sa mga babae, may mga vaginitis, menstrual problems, dysmenorrhea, neurasthenia, mga nerve, related injuries or problems. So this is the iTera Care, scientifically proved, and ito ang pinakamaganda, ang pinaka-importanting benefit ng iTera Care. Okay, always remember this. Hippocrates mentioned this one, told this one 25 centuries ago. If there's a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. Can you say it, guys? If there's a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. Kung merong device na kayang initin ang ating mga buto, lahat ng sakit, hindi niya sinabi, some diseases or few diseases. He literally said, all diseases can be treated. Ano ba ang nasa ating buto? We have the bone marrow that produces the red blood cells. Not only that one, the bone marrow, especially our spine, has the stem cells. So, iTera Care therapy device, this is the best way, the best benefit of this device. As you blow your spine, yung spinal cord nyo, i-blow nyo yan. Okay? So just blow it. Why? Because all organs are connected to the spinal cord. So yung lungs, yung kidney, yung brain, yung reproductive organ, yung colon, lahat yan connected sa spinal cord from the brain. So from the base of the skull, papunta dun sa coccyx area, you should blow it downwards, guys. Then just raise it up. The blow should be downwards. You can blow it 20 to 30 minutes because you will be activating the stem cells in the bone marrow. Okay, na yung alam mo yung stem cells, guys, you know, na you are activating kasi ang terahertz, once you apply terahertz, guys, because terahertz frequency has the same frequency as our normal human cells. Pag tumama yan dun sa bone marrow mo, nagbabibrate yan. Nagbabibrate ng hundreds of millions of vibrations per second. So binabibrate niya, nire-resonate niya, lumalabas yung stem cells. Yung stem cells na ang magpapagaling sa inyo. It will help you to repair, regenerate, and replace sickly organs. Kung may damage yung heart nyo, kung may damage yung kidney nyo, all you have to do is blow the spine. Okay, there's a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. Remember, this is the future of medicine, which is the medicine of frequency. Pharmaceutical industry is a big industry. If you'll be doing the iTera Care business, para kayong merong pharmaceutical industry na rin, para kayong may business of therapeutic devices na makakatulong sa ating mga loved ones. So, guys, if you will only knew kung gaano kahalaga ang benefits ng iTera Care, hindi kayo papayag na wala yung yung mga loved ones. Hindi kayo papayag na yung mga loved ones yung walang iTera Care because you know the benefits of stem cell therapy. And again, the best way, blow your spine. Blow your spine 20 to 30 minutes a day. So 2 to 3 months, 6 months, you will notice the difference. Okay? And further, ayan, evidence-based, there's a clinical study, scientific proof done by the Russian Academy of Sciences in April 2020 that terahertz exposure promotes differentiation of stem cells. So these are clinical evidence that it really works. So again, ang iTera Care natin, it's a deep hitting modality. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, lahat ng mga physical therapy devices, ang depth of penetration, 5 centimeters. The good thing about our iTera Care device, it's a deep hitting modality. It can penetrate 20 to 30 centimeters. Okay? I'm gonna give you an example. If you have an inflammation of the liver, if you can think any device that can help to penetrate the inflamed liver, I don't know what kind of device until iTera Care came. So because the depth of penetration is so deep, as you blow your back, you're also blowing your kidney cells. Okay? And remember the benefits of heating. Naranasan nyo na ba mag-swimming kayo sa hot spring? Di ba ang sarap? Di ba yung bumubuka lahat ng ugat nyo, yung relax yung mga nerves nyo, yung muscles nyo, di ba ang sarap? Because may health benefit in heat. So it boosts the immune system, it increases metabolic activity in the cells, it increases cellular oxygenation, yung blood flow nag-i-increase, metabolism also, yung waste product na-eliminate niya, it softens muscles, connective tissues, relaxes everything, yung joints, yung stiffness na-decrease niya, and it's the best pain management device. So no wonder, iTera Care really works. So it's useful, lahat yan, pwede sa bata, sa matanda, Ayan, si baby, lubo, may tabag, pwedeng-pwede ang iTera Care. So, number 2 benefit ng iTera Care is the water. Guys, all before and after treatment, before treating or before blowing and after blowing, you should be doing this one. You should blow your water. So, you get a glass container, blow it 1 liter, 1 minute. 2 liters, 2 minutes. Or even 3 minutes, so no problem. Okay? But doesn't matter. What it does, it makes the molecular structure of the water from bilog, ginagawa niyang linear. Okay? From bilog, nagiging linear, parang nakapila. Kaya napakaganda yung pasok, yung pag-absorb sa ating cells. Ito yung aquaporin, ang tawag diyan yung butas na yan, yung pinto aquaporin. Mas mabilis yung pasok ng tubig sa ating cells. No wonder pag umiinom kayo ng tubig ngayon, pagkatapos ng inom, jingle lang agad kayo, diretso na kayo sa CR, right? Kasi dumadaan lang sa katawan mo, hindi na-absorb ng cells mo. But decreasing the structure of the water, yan, blower mo lang yan. So it's like energized water already. You're energizing the cells. So it works at the intracellular level. 1 liter, 1 minute, guys. So it's very, very useful. Ito ang epekto ng pag-inom ng charged water. So, if only I can buy my own electronic microscope, I would really buy one. Soon, I will buy one. So, here in our test, we took a blood sample of our patient. Ito yung dugo niya, kumpul-kumpul, guys. So, clustered. Then, we ask the patient to drink charged water. So, you just blow it. 30 seconds lang pagbaso. Remember, pag 1 liter, 1 minute. And ito, 30 seconds. We ask the patient to drink water, the charged water, and took the blood sample again after 10 minutes of drinking. Ayan po, guys. From ganito, ganyan, after iTera Care charged water. Kaya maganda to, guys, sa mga sweet friends ko. Kung meron kayong mga kaibigang sweet friends, yung matatamis ang dugo, yung mga mahilig sa sugar o sa chocolates, may mga diabetes, napakaganda ng iTera Care. So using the charged water. You know, water is very, very important because 60% of our composition is water. Yung blood mo may water. But the good thing about yung charged water, it makes the red blood cells, separate apart from each other. So pag separated sila, yung oxygen kakapit dito, kakapit dito. Unlike pag clustered, dun lang sa surface kakapit yung oxygen. Compared to the after blowing, which is, ayan, nag-separate talaga ang red blood cells. This is the effect, okay, effects of drinking iTera Care charged water in our blood. And these are the success stories, guys. I'm gonna share to you. This is Dr. Alfakir Ilala, Sheikh Dr. Ismail Kashim. So this doctor is a Sheikh from Malaysia. Is a very popular politician in Malaysia, and a lot of high-ranking officials also visits him. He's very rich. He has a lot of doctors, but he has a problem. He has a diabetic foot, and doctors about to cut this one until such time they were able to find yung iTera Care therapy device. Binolower lang, guys. So, di ba sabi ko sa iyo, inflammation, number 1 ng iTera Care, namamagang paa, Ayan na siya, He is now the global ambassador of iTera Care. Okay? Same thing, diabetic foot. Ayan si Dr. Joey Sinchongko.
Pero ay kailangan niyo makita to para kayo ay hindi na laging puputulin ng paa.
Mantakin nyo, guys, yung puputulin na yung paa. Ayan, Puputulin na talaga yan,
Yan po ay puputulin na yung paa.
Hiniram lang yan.
Hiniram ko lang po yung pasyente. Sabi ko, pwede ba, bigyan mo naman ako ng 1 buwan,
Yan, 1 month.
Paputol mo na rin.
So, after that one, sorry for that, hiniram niya na 1 buwan. Ito na, guys, after 1 month of iTera Care therapy device, treating. Ang ganda ng epekto. Same as the effect dun sa first patient. Yung first patient na yan, Ayan, From here to here, Nakita nyo, guys, using charged water and blower. So, ito, kinunan yung blood sugar sa mga sweet friends nyo. Kunan nyo muna ng blood sugar, painimin ng charged water, i-blower, then kunin uli yung blood test para i-compare yung difference. Same scenario, guys. This is also a doctor who took a blood sample. Mantakin nyo guys, different people but they have the same results. Nakita nyo sa right side yung before, clustered yung dugo, oh. Kaya sabi ko nga sa inyo if you will only know the benefits of iTera Care, hindi kayo papayag na lahat ng mahal nyo sa buhay walang iTera Care. Diabetes yan, guys, oh, clustered yung dugo. Lahat malalapot, oh. Normally pag matanda ka na, ganyan na rin ang tsura ng bloods mo Yung red blood cells mo Pero sabi ko sa iyo kanina, ang common cause ng sakit, blockage. Nagbabara kasi malapot na dugo, kumpul-kumpul. Ayan ang ganda ng daloy, oh. No?
Laki ng improvement ko.
Diba guys? Different people but the same results. Ganyan ang iTera Care. Kaya lang, oh. First, ayun ang iTera Care. Classic nga lang, oh. Red lang ang gamit, oh. Classic. Doesn't make a difference. Only the length of usage. This one is my patient. See?
Cannot open?
Trigger finger yan. Hand arthritis. Hindi ma-open. Yung babae namin, pasyente. Hindi ma-open.
Open?
Lower lang pa guys, no? Natulungan natin, no? Kasi pag ganyan yung daliri mo, hindi ka na maka-function well, Ayan, no? Lower lang, oh. Mantakin mo kung araw-araw mong gagawin yan, nanay mo yan. Kung nanay mo yan, di ba? Laking tulong. Ayan, oh. Na-smooth na yung movement, oh. Napaalhamdalala talaga kami. Ito yung pasyente namin. He has a meniscal injury. Ayan, may meniscal injury yan. Yung tuhod niya, hindi niya mabaluktot. Hindi siya makaupo kasi Muslim, nagsasala. So, after therapy, ayan, lulmulod, nakakaluhod na yan. Yung na-decrease yung swelling niya. Classic pa lang before ang gamit namin, guys. Oh. Maganda siya, guys, pag may mga arthritis, rheumatoid, frozen shoulder, ayan. Pag may mga frozen shoulder, lalambot yung joints mo yan. Yung soft tissue niyan, yung connective tissue siya, muscles yan, lalambot. Mawawala yung sakit. Mag-i-improve yung functions ng pasyente. Diba? Inflammation, number 1. Use ng ayan, namamaga, oh. Edema. Ayan, before and after, nakita mo. Immediate yung effect. Varicose veins, namamaga mga, ugat, oh. Mga veins niya, parang spiders, oh. 2 months lang, continuous lang yan, continuous. Huwag yung titigilan yan. Kaya blow ng blow. Ito, yung isang best use ng iTera Care. Evidence-based, terahertz exposure enhances neuronal synaptic transmission. That's why no wonder, itong iTera Care, yung terahertz therapy device, napakaganda sa mga patients stroke, Parkinson's, cerebral ataxia, neurodegenerative cases, Alzheimer's, dementia. Why? Because yung terahertz na meron sa iTera Care, pinapaganda niya yung neuronal synaptic transmission, yung communication from the nerves sa utak, sa spinal cord, papunta dun sa cells or sa effector organs like muscles, joints, paa, kamay. So no wonder pag may stroke ka, iniisip mo, galaw ko to, hindi mo may galaw yun, paralyze Putol yung communication ng utak papunta dun sa muscles sa daliri But using the iTera Care, there are a lot of stroke patients, that has recovered because of the iTera Care. And these are few of those success stories. Ayan, Parkinson's. Pag Parkinson's ka kasi, meron kang rigidity, bradykinesia, yung resting hand tremor, muscle. So, nakita nyo yung, yung gait niya, festinating gait, But using the iTera Care, ito, ginamit niya yung flow, gumanda, na-relax yung cells niya, gumanda yung muscles niya talaga, because it relaxes the muscles. Yun ang problema, na pag nanginginig-nginig ka, nakakapagod. So, nakakapagod yun. Yung pasyente mapapagod. Kaya, i-relax mo, gagalaw uli yan. So, ito yung stroke. I know you already know this patient. This is the band, member of the Neo Colors, no? Ito, maganda kasi acute stroke to Kaka-stroke lang. So naka-recover to within 3 months because of the iTera Care therapy device. Kaya yung sa stroke kasi guys, lalo sa mga pasyente namin, time is of an essence. Mahalaga na mabilis ang pagkilos mo kasi pag hindi mo agad tinugunan yung problema, 6 months hanggang 1 year, kung ano yung problema mo ngayon, habang buhay mo na yun dala-dala. That's what we call the residual muscle weakness. Kung ngiwi ka ngayon, after 1 year, ngiwi ka pa rin. Yun na yun. So it's residual. That's why it's very, very important. Very, very important. Pag acute stroke, kaka-stroke pa lang, o kaya bago ma-stroke, dapat meron ka ng therapy device sa bahay para mabilis yung recovery. Now, for mga stroke patients na matagal na, okay lang, napakaganda pa rin ng iTheraCare because yung mga stroke patients na may spasticity, matitigas yung mga muscles, hindi mabuka yung mga daliri. So again, enhances neuronal synaptic transmission pa rin. It will help them recover. Okay? A lot of patients have recovered. Parkinson's disease, ito yung resting hand tremor guys, oh. Ang dami kong pasyente ganito, nanginginig-nginig yung mga daliri. Promise. Tapos yung, ayan, using iTheraCare guys, oh. Na-relax na, oh. Because it relaxes really the nerves and muscles. Ayan, oh. Blowing lang sa brain, ha. It's good to blow in the brain. Maganda yan. Di ba dun sa evidence-based kanina, yung sa scientific study, clinical test, nakalagay brain. So, napakaganda kasi ng brain. And talking about the brain, this is Dr. Nadia Latz. I want you to research about this. She's a neurologist. She's using iTheraCare to have a neurological reset for her patients. A lot of patients, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, stroke patients. So, i-research nyo ito, screenshot nyo, tingnan nyo sa YouTube, si Dr. Nadia Latz. She will explain to you how she does it, kung saan niyang part binoblow, at saka ano yung procedure, paano niya binoblow, yung mga pasyente niya. Directly sa brain, ha? So, si Dr. Nadia Latz. American doctor po yan, guys. So, iTheraCare expert. Alzheimer's, syempre, maganda ang daloy ng dugo, maganda ang oxygen, relax ang mga nerves. So, kaya sa atin, pre-dementia, yung matatanda na, kailangan i-blower na para hindi na umabot sa dementia o hindi na umabot sa Alzheimer's. Okay? But doon sa may mga Alzheimer's, it helps them to relax and remember everything again. Okay? So, yun ang nagagawa ng iTheraCare therapy device because of the increased blood circulation, oxygenation doon sa utak. Ito, mga geriatric patients, 2 months na, si Lola, blower lang ng blower, after 2 months, ayan na siya. So, mga matatanda natin, pag may lola kayo, it's a must. You should give them. Siyempre, namamagang lungs, di ba? Namamagang sa breast cancer, namamagang organs. So, it's very good for inflammation and pain management. So, ito yung guys, I want you to know about this. I want you to watch about this. This is me. This is Sir Jeff. So, this is our oncologist doctor. She's from Saudi Arabia, and she has used iTheraCare for her cancer patients. So she will share to you, though I won't be seeing the face. I'll just show you the glimpse of it. Just listen on her success story.
And I told her, wait until this Thursday, finish the last chemo session, and then you stop it. She did not wait. She was very happy, and she doesn't really want to go for the surgery. So she used the iTheraCare. And she told me, I feel so much relaxed. I feel the mass is going away. It's becoming smaller. I feel very comfortable. And I said, okay, so I'm going to give her 1 more week. And then we will do an ultrasound. And we will assess what is going on. But she said that she feels it's shrinking. It's coming down.
Grabe,
Very good.
Guys, these are cancer patients, These are real stories of real patients that has benefited from iTheraCare. So I'm showing you the full clips, and she has also a lot of testimonies. So I'll just give you juice of it. Kidney, mga dialysis patients, ang tataas ng creatinine pag may kidney. Dialysis, namamaga rin yan. Namamaga na yung nephrons mo . So what's the solution ng iTheraCare? Charge water. Sabi nila, bawal mag-water ng kidney. Ang uminom ng marami, charge mo muna. Umiinom pa rin yan ng tubig, i-charge mo muna and blow your back area. 15 minutes or 20 minutes sa left, 20 minutes sa right. Okay? If you have the Pro, you can do 30 minutes. So maximum ang gamit ng iTheraCare is 2 hours per person per day. 2 hours, yan ang maximum mega dose. So it's also good for prostate. This is Ernie Tayag. Umiiin na to ng dugo, guys. Pinipundot niya na yung kanyang penis para lumabas yung ihi niya na dugo. But luckily, he bought a TheraCare device. Ginawa lang nila ng paraan ng kanyang wife. So, within 3 weeks lang, binulo niya yung puson niya, yung puwet niya, tsaka low back. 3 weeks, wala na yung ihi ng dugo, hindi na sumasakit yung prostate niya. Ang ganda. Distributor na to, top distributor na ng Philippines siya, si Ernie Tayag. We can also use for, pets. Siyempre, ayan. Ayan ang pets natin, pwede sa aso. Ayan, almost dying na sila, Pati yung fish ko, dying na, Check nyo tong goldfish, Check nyo tong yung lamb. Ayan, tingnan mo yung aso, yung tuta, So it's really good. Really good for whatever, pets that you have because may cells din naman yan, di ba? Kaya guys, hindi lang tayo limited sa atin. Pwede ito sa mga veterinary. Kung may mga camels dyan dito, I have a lot of customers, camels na tinitira. They have the pro. Okay? Ayan. Tirin yung isda, guys, Tulog, patay na, Halos wala na, Ayan, Look at the fish. Goldfish yan, Pati yung tuta, nabuhay na, Nakatulong. Ayan, tirin mo isda, Sina-charge mo yung water, yung structure ng water. Binabago mo. Pati ibon, pwede siya. So, 1 hour of TheraCare therapy device para ka nag-acupuncture ng 10 beses, 20 times ng cupping, 30 times ng wash siya, at saka 40 times ng massage. Ganun kaganda ang TheraCare. So, ito yung natin, inventor, si Engineer Yang Wen-jun. So, patented na ng device natin, hindi pwedeng gayahin. We have all the inspection, safety report. Ang TheraCare, it has 3-in-1 core technology. Meron siyang terahertz, quantum, at saka optical quartz. I'll just give emphasis on this. Terahertz, sabi nito, it has the same frequency as our normal human cells. Yung cells mo, tsaka yung frequency ng terahertz, parehas. Kaya nag-vibrate, nagre-resonate. Yung quantum, guys, I want to give also emphasis on this. It generates scalar energy. That's why you should be blowing with intentions. Kasi ini-increase nito yung energy field sa cells mo. Yung energy, yung aura mo. So, once you blow your TheraCare, should be blowing with intention. Masakit ang likod. Wala nang sakit ang likod ko. Tanggal ng sakit ko. Healthy na ako. Wala nang namamagaan tuhod ko. Wala na. You should be positively blowing. You are claiming already as you blow. That's quantum. Your quantum kasi you're attracting the energy force in the universe. Okay? So, optical quartz, ito yung quartz na meron sa atin. It amplifies yung terahertz device. It mimics 1/40th of the sunlight's power. Kaya, maski gabi na, you're blowing, you're actually giving vitamin D to your body, which is good for immune system. Diba? Yung secret force of healing well, which is the immune system. So, these 3 devices, all in one, nagbubuga ng napakagandang air na nakakapag-heal sa ating mga cells. So, ang terahertz, makikita mo siya, sa gitna siya ng microwave tsaka infrared. Ito yung electromagnetic spectrum, guys. Radio waves, microwaves, terahertz, quantum, infrared, and ultraviolet rays. Yung sa kanan, mga bad X-rays na yan, mga yan. High frequencies na yan. So, ginagamit siya sa communication, aviation, biomedical. It's considered, American scientists, wave of life, sabi sa kanila. Sa Japanese, tawag sa kanila, light of life, and God's wave band sa mga Chinese. Yung terahertz, ito yung ginagamit natin sa airport, guys, Pag ini-scan yung mga gamit nyo, diba? Nakikita ko anong laman, kung may laglag bala ba dyan, kung may drugs. That's an example of terahertz. Kaya ginagamit ito for aviation and security. So for us, it's for, health and wellness. So, ayan, syempre, if you, we could say that all diseases is a lowering frequency. Syempre, pag may sakit ka, wala kang energy, matamlay ka, hindi ka makakain, wala kang gana. Kasi nga yung energy mo mababa, yung frequency mo mababa. Hindi ka makapag-resonate. May sakit ka So all we have to do is activate, optimize ourselves. You need to energize. You need to blow yourself with the terahertz frequency. Kasi nga every cell, tandaan nyo, every cell in your body is a battery. Meron kang ang iPhone 16, wala na, lobat naman, useless yun. Di ba? Ang ganda nga ng sasakyan mo, wala namang battery. Di ba? Naka-Ferrari ka, pero wala namang battery. Useless din. Okay? Kailangan nga, i-charge yan. Kailangan, parang battery, pag nalobat, i-charge mo. Ganun ang ginagawa ng TheraCare. Kung makikita mo ang normal cells, 80 to 100. millivolts. Ito yung normal cells, intracellular level. Our device works at the intracellular level. So from 80, ngayon medyo matamlay ka dahil hindi ka kumain, nagpupuyat ka, emotional stress, acidity, mga McDonald's, KFC, lahat, mga bad diet. So naghihina yung cells mo. So nagda-drop yung frequency ng katawan mo. So further, syempre, na-stress ka na naman sa boss mo, wala delay ang sahod, no? Walang sweldo, ayan, lalo ka nang na-stress. So bumababa yung immune system mo. But luckily, ayan ang iTeracare, it charges our, cells. It optimize our cells. Paano? Through resonance. Makikita mo sa video nito 512, 440. Hindi nag-vibrate. Sabi ko sa inyo, the same ang frequency ng terahertz saka ng cells. Ping pong ball vibrates. It's the same. That's what we call resonance. Kaya once na binugan nyo yung iTeracare, terahertz, tumama sa ating cells, it resonates at a frequency. It resonates hundreds of millions of vibrations per second. Binabibrate niya yung cells mo, nagiging healthy yung cells mo, na-optimize yung cells mo. At once na-energize na yung cells mo, mas marami kang mape-perform na activities. So sabi ko siya, every cell in our body is a battery. So you need to charge your cells using the iTeracare therapy. Para siyang cellphone charger, guys. That's actually the lo and behold of our, our story only. It's like a cell phone charger that charges our cells. Scientifically, we have a lot of evidence base that's good for our health. And zero radiation, guys, ha? Ang iTeracare natin, whatever device that we have, it's zero radiation. Mataas pa yung radiation ng ating laptop. Ayan siya. Yung sa atin zero, guys. Kaya if you know someone, using hair blowers, guys, baka magka-Alzheimer's na kayo, kaya makalbo kayo. Para yung niluluto yung utak nyo, yung neurons nyo. So that's why if you know any, saloons, if you know any hair salons talaga, i-share nyo to. I-share nyo yung iTeracare, okay? Yan, we have a lot of test reports. Bawal ba ito sa mga pregnant women? Hindi siya pwede naman siya pag masakit ang tuhod, wag lang sa tiyan. Masakitan pa, pwede. Ganun din sa dysmenorrhea. Bawal to sa may stem, sa may pacemaker. So, but other parts ng body pwede. Bawal to sa metal implant. Bawal to pag open wounds. Pag may contact lens, tanggalin. And we have blowing guides in how to use the iTeracare therapy device. Ito yung blowing guide natin. So, I'll be giving you this one. Para at least almost yung iba, meron na rin. So, these are guides how to and where to use the iTeracare therapy device. Ayan, dami guys. Lahat yan ng common problem ng mamaga. Diabetes. Okay? So, ayan, think of someone you love. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kung alam nyo lang ang benefit ng iTeracare, hindi kayo papayag na lahat ng mahal nyo sa buhay, walang iTeracare. Think of someone you love that who can benefit from iTeracare. Okay, guys? So again, this is the best pain management device that can help them manage their pain, inflammation, and having a good, life. One iTeracare device lang per home. Yan lang kailangan natin, isa lang. Kasi one device, unlimited. You can blow your mama, your papa, your grandmother, lolo, lola. Unlimited. Walang expiration ng ating device. So it can last forever as long as hindi nyo babaksak. Okay? So lahat antipid. I'm not other from supplements, no? It's also good, but the device we have, it suits every members of the family. Okay? Again, I'm Kuya Vincent, and we have a lot of branches all over the world: Dubai, Malaysia, Africa, Australia, New Zealand. Think of any OFW friends in these countries, guys. You have a business. No, you have, sick business is a big business, like a pharmaceutical industry. And para kang merong sariling factory of pharmaceuticals. Ngayon na lang ito, innovation. Frequency medicine ang dala natin. Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Mexico, lahat ng bansa. Goal, one iTeracare device per household, bringing life to every home. Okay, guys? Ito lang. Ayan. Ang presentation natin about iTeracare. And do you have any other questions, guys?
No, sir, no. Very well presented, sir.
Okay?
Sir Benz, yung maximum na 2 hours na Ah,
Yes?
paggamit sa isang tao,
Ah,
pwedeng in one go yon, different parts, o pwede mong i-spread in one whole day.
spread mo in one whole day, actually. So, let's say you have the
Aha.
classic, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 4 times. If you have the pro, pwedeng 1 hour, 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yan.
Okay.
Welcome
Okay,
to
out for.
Welcome to Price International. So this is the business plan. It's a seamless global drop shipping, the most lucrative. It's a long-term stable income. Remember, we are just running 4 years in the business, and we have a blue ocean market. Price again, and these are the people who has earned a lot in price. Disclaimer lang, syempre, it's more of an effort-based business. The more effort you give, the more daldal you give, syempre more successful. But again, yung price, it has the most outstanding product. Irrelevant ang competition, wala tayong katulad sa market. Lahat ng products meron dyan pero wala tayong katulad. We are patented. It's the first global market. Ang product natin, ang iTerra Care, no wonder it's called the magic one. It works like a magic. Necessity, health is wealth pa rin. Yung market natin is magnanimous at lahat. Global ang ating network. If you know some countries, 83 countries na tayo, 83. So if you know Filipinos, foreigners from different countries, tap them. Because you love them, you want to share to them. Huwag kayong mahiya. It's a sin not to share the health benefits of the iTerra Care. Okay? Ito yung pricing natin sa Philippines. If you can see, ayan ang price natin sa Philippines. So right now, meron tayong promo 2+1 hanggang February 15 yan. Maximize nyo na. Oh. Kasi hindi na maulit yan. Last time, 4+1 yan eh. Ngayon, 2+1 lang. So para kayong may 3 piraso. Meron kayong isa na gamitin nyo, dalawa pang benta o pang rotate sa business. No? Ito yung Premium Plus, Pro. Ayan. Yung OxyTop, naka-sale din yan, 1+1. Saka yung Bio. Pag bumili ka ng iTerra Bio, may libreng Pro. Ayan, oh. Ito, libre, oh. Okay? So, this is the pricing here in UAE. And in order for us to join the business, syempre, kuha ka ng package. Meron naman tayong kailangan, in every business, there should be an investment. And the best investment, the best investment is our health. Tama, di ba? So, you will investing na lang sa atin ng health. Not only us, because remember, our parents can use this one, grandparents, yung brother, sister, every family can use the package that we will be getting. Let's say you get one red, isang red, that's the classic. So you'll be silver because every package merong points. Yung PV, point value. PV, points value. So 200 points value, that's silver. If you get one classic, isang red, o kaya isang ayan, yung suot ko, Ion Shield, para tong electronic mask. Pag may naninigarilyo sa inyo, sisingmutin nito yung usok, dito pupunta yung usok. Parang electronic mask to, guys. At saka yung hydrogen water, ito yung kulay, yung tumbler natin, hydrogen yan. O kaya naman isang pink or premium plus. Okay? So, pag gold naman, so kuha kayo ng 3 pula, o kaya naman premium, ito yung 3 hours na blower, 3 hours, o kaya ng BioLite. Itong BioLite, for weight management yan. So, that's 600 points, gold ka na. If money is not an issue, I would ask you to buy Bio, iTerra Bio. Really, it's good for weight. Lahat ng matataba, papayat ka dito, promise. Pawis na pawis ka dito pag without doing exercise, you will be losing weight at the comfort of your home, watching TV only. It has 2,500 points sa Philippines. Pag bumili ka ng Bio, may libreng Pro. Doon ako sa Bio. Dalawa na kasi may Pro. So that's 2,000 points ang Pro. Kaya naman 10 na red o kaya naman OxyTop. Lahat ng device nito, diamond account. So, 2,000 points. Depende sa product, may mga point system yan eh. So, minimum 2,000 points, diamond. So, silver, 200, gold, 600, and diamond, 2,000. Once you buy a product, automatically member ka na. Okay? I-register ka namin sa system. And pag na-register ka sa system, you'll have a back office. Ito yung back office. Dito mo i-encode yung mga orders mo, yung mga taong bumili sa'yo, yung paano ka mag-withdraw sa BDO o kaya sa ADCB o kaya sa bangko mo o kaya naman paano ipapalit yung voucher. Kasi sa products natin, meron tayong 2 bonus. Cash in US dollars and US dollars voucher. Okay? Yung voucher, pwede mong ipapalit ng products. Here, in the back office, meron kayong top-up link. Pag kinilik nyo yung navigate, ito yung top-up link. Pag kinilik nyo to, ito yung payment link. Kumari, may client ka, si Ruby, may client sa Australia. Paano ba ako makakabili niyan? Ibabato mo yung link nito, yung top-up link. Pag binato mo yan, yung link na yon, yung HTTPS, di ba? May HTTPS niyan, yung sa Google, yung link niyan. Ganito lalabas. So let's say, yung username mo lalabas dito. Ito yung username ko. Kumari, bibili ka ng Oxytop, lagay mo kung magkano price, tsaka yung product, tsaka name mo. Pag kinonfirm mo yan, yung pera ng binayad ng client mo sa Australia, papasok sa registered wallet. Ito, registered wallet. Ito na yung wallet na kung saan bibili ka na ng product. Okay? So, pumasok na yung from top-up link, papasok sa registered wallet, i-register mo siya. I-order mo na sa company, sabihin mo i-click mo yung register, name mo yung name ng ng client, username mo, username niya, at saka address kung saan mo papadeliver sa Australia. Automatic, pag kinilik mo na yon, yung Australia, ano bang sikat sa Sydney, yung branch sa Sydney ang magde-deliver ng product dun sa client mo. Okay, may Pro, i-deliver yung Pro. So, again, pag na-deliver yon o bago pa ma-deliver, naka-commission ka na. Yung commission mo, dalawa. Cash, papasok sa bonus wallet. Ito yung pwede mong i-withdraw. Okay? Pwede mong i-withdraw to sa ATM mo, sa ADCB, bahala ka kung saan mo gusto mo i-withdraw. Pwede rin yung bonus wallet mo, i-convert mo sa registered wallet. Okay? Example, meron kang $420. $380 sa Philippines, $380. Iko-convert mo ngayon yan sa registered wallet. Yun yung ipambibili mo. So, yung client mo, nagbayad sa'yo ng $380, ibulsa mo na. Kasi ang ginamit mong pambayad, yung nasa bonus wallet mo. Tama, di ba? So, yung binayad sa'yo, ibulsa mo na. Kita mo na yon. Ngayon, meron tayong loyalty redemption wallet. This is the voucher. Bukod sa cash, may voucher. Itong voucher, iniipon mo to. Pag nakaipon ka ng $5,200, meron ka ng Oxytop na libre. Ibili mo yung voucher mo ng Oxytop. Di ba? Nakuha mo ng free. So, we have these two, bonus wallet and loyalty redemption. There are 8 ways to earn, but I'll be discussing only at least 5. So, sponsorship, loyalty redemption, level pairing, group pairing, level leadership, unilevel, rank up, and worldwide profit sharing. Again, na-subdivide to sa 3. Okay? Fast track, ito yung mabilisang income. Paano kumita ng mabilis? Mid income, ito yung paano kumita ng malaki. Yung back-end income, ito yung pinaka-bonus na natin. Mga additional bonuses to. So remember, napaka-stable ng company natin. Why? Because it has sustainable income. Yung long-term na sustainability ng company, ganun na lang katindi. Why? Because we have an 80-20% rule. So lahat ng bonus mo from bonus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lahat yan subdivided 80% cash, 20% voucher. Let's say you earn 100,000 US dollars. So $80,000 US dollars will be cash and $20,000 US dollars will be voucher. Okay, get? So laging may sales yung company, hindi nalulugi kasi pag ang company wala nang benta, wala nang kita, di ba? So here, they find a way how to sustain yung sales ng company. 80% cash and 20% voucher sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonus. Yung bonus number 6, full cash yan. Okay? So, paano kumita ng mabilis? 3 paraan. Bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Tandaan nyo, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Sa bonus 1, ito yung cash. Pag nakakuha ka ng silver, di ba? Kumuha ka ng package, di ba? Nasa system ka na. Ngayon, you share it to your friends. Pag nakakuha ka ng silver, you have 10% of the points. Ano yung points ng silver? 200 points. 10% of 200 is $20. 10% of 600, that's $60. 10% of 2,000 points or diamond or the pro, itong pro, meron kang $200 US dollars cash. Pag Oxytop, meron kang $275 cash. Okay? Sample lang to ha. So 10% of the points. Yan ang bonus 1. Cash yan. Number 2, bukod sa cash, meron ka pang voucher. Ito yung voucher. Nakakuha, meron $200 cash ka na dito. 20 US dollars, bukod doon, meron ka pang $70 voucher. Okay? 30%, 35% of the PV. That's $70 US dollars. So, example, you were able to get six na clients. So 6 times 20, meron kang $120 cash. So 70 times 5 times 6 is 420. So 420, ang price sa UAE is 420. So pwede mo nang ipambili ng iTerra Care Classic ng libre gamit ang voucher mo. Pag gold naman, meron kang 240. Pag diamond, pag naka-close ka ng pro, may $1,000 ka. Okay? Pag Oxytap ang na-close mo, meron kang 1,375. Ito, ilang ano na to, ilang classic na to. Dalawang classic na to. Gusto mo mag-upgrade ng Oxytap, ipunin mo. Okay? That's bonus 1, cash, bonus 2, voucher. Ngayon ang bonus 3, ito. Ito pala yung summary. So, pag nakakuha ka ng isang classic, $90, premium, $300, pag pro, $1,200, pag Oxytap, $1,650. Okay? Ngayon, ang bonus number 3, ito. Yan ang bonus. Because in every level pair, okay, you are like a store manager. So meron kang left sales team at saka right sales team. All you have to do is to help this team. So yung friend mo sa kaliwa at saka friend mo sa kanan, you have to help them. They are your sales team, okay? Parang ganito yan eh. Ikaw, nakakuha ka ng isang silver, so may $90 ka na dyan. Nakakuha ko ulit ng silver, may $90. Remember, yung unang makukuha mo, automatic yan, ilalagay ng computer sa kaliwa, ng system sa kaliwa. Yung pangalawa, ikaw na bahalang magkamada. Yung 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, ikaw na bahalang magkamada niyan. But yung unang makukuha mo, sa left side yan, automatic. Okay? So may $90, plus meron kang pairing na $80. Okay? Let's say si silver, nakakuha ng ikaw nakakuha ka ng diamond. So may $1,200 ka diyan. Yung nakakuha ka ng silver sa kanan, doon mo nilagay. So meron kang $90, ang pairing mo diyan $80. Syempre, the company will follow the smallest package. 'Di ba? Lugi naman kung diamond. But kumare si Diamond, hindi ikaw si Diamond nakakuha ng silver. So si Diamond may $90. Si silver nakakuha ng diamond. So si silver nasa right side, merong $1,200. Ikaw magkano? $80 kasi silver diamond is $80. What if ikaw o kaya yung nakuha mo nakakuha ng diamond, so may 1,200 ka na sa diamond, 1,200 dun sa kanang diamond, ang pairing mo is $800. For every diamond, for every pro, meron kang 42,000 pesos yan. Cash yun, guys. Okay? Ngayon, kung titignan mo sa second level, silver lang yan. Ito, silver, yung level D. What if nag-upgrade yan? Siyempre, ginawa niyang negosyo talaga. Gusto niya mag-upgrade. Binigyan ka na ng $80, ibabalik pa sa yung balance kasi $800 yan. So, yung 720, ibabalik sa iyo ng company. That's 36,000 pesos cash. Guys, this is infinite, guys. Unlimited yan hanggang whether ikaw ang nakakakuha, kaya yung tao mo nakakuha, basta nagpe-pairing sa'yo, depende sa package na nag-pair, babayaran ka ng company. $80, pag silver, pag gold, 240, pag diamond is $800. This is the summary. So for every 2 red classic, pag nakabenta ka ng 2 classic, yung friend 1 mo, friend 2, may $260 ka. Just remember this one, for every pro, 2 pro, $3,200. Saan gusto nyo? Classic or pro? Siyempre, I will rather upgrade. I will rather sell the pro one. Okay? Now, we'll go to the mid-income. Yung mid-income, ito, monthly passive income to. Kailangan mag-diamond account ka na dito eh. You have to maximize the income. And plus, it has a maintenance required. Dito sa para makuha mo itong bonus number 4 and 5, kailangan mo mag-maintain. Later, I'll explain to you that one. Dito sa bonus number 4 and 5, di ba sabi ko sa inyo sa bonus 3, yung first pair. What if yung points mo sa second pair, third pair, fourth pair, 10 pair, 100 pair, i-compute ng system yon daily. Remember, this is the daily bonus. Yung kumare sa left mo may 10,000 points ka sa left, tapos sa right mo may 10,000 points ka, yung accumulation niya buong grupo mo. So babayaran ka ng company depende sa package mo. Pag silver ka, may 8% ka. Pag gold ka, may 10% ka. Pag diamond ka, may 12%. Okay? So, meron din maximum payout dito. Pag silver ka lang, ang maximum payout mo daily, $300 yan, ha? Pag gold ka, gold na kinuha mo, 900 ang maximum mo. Pag diamond, meron kang maximum $3,750. I'm gonna give you an example. Kumare, by the way, it will also apply from 4th generation down. Yung 1, 2, 3, sa company yan. This is bonus number 4, it will apply 4th generation down. Okay? Up to infinite. So example, gold ka, so you have 10% dyan, di ba? Pag gold. Bigyan kita ng example. Sa left sales team mo, yung left team mo, may 50,000 points. Mga siguro nasa ano yan eh. Benting oxytop, example. Sa right side mo, merong 4 na oxytop. That's 10,000 points. So, ang nag-match dyan, 10,000. Babayaran ka ng company sa nag-match. So, 10,000 sa left, 10,000 sa right. So, 10% ang gold, di ba? So, dapat meron kang $1,000 supposedly. But ang maximum payout ng gold is 900. So, $900 ang ibibigay sa'yo ng company, not 1,000. Because na-reach mo yung maximum daily income. Remember, this is daily income. So, ang ima-minus na point sa kabila, not 10,000, 9,000 lang. Kasi 900 lang binigay sa'yo. So, you still have 41,000 for the next day. Okay, next day. Kumare, tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday, meron ka na namang 10,000 na points. Yung grupo mo sa right. Okay, accumulation yun. So, you again have 900 for tomorrow. So, mamaminus lang na mamaminus yun. Kung nadadagdagan din sa kaliwa, so here wala siyang flash out. Basta kung ano yung nag-match, babayaran ka ng company, depende sa package. Now, if you're diamond, syempre 12% yan, di ba? O 1-2 sa'yo. Automatic, bibigay sa yan. Ang laki ng difference. Diamond, 1-2. Pag gold ka, same scenario, 900. Kasi nga, ang diamond is $3,750 daily income. Okay, ang ima-minus doon, 10,000 na. So, you have 40,000 para pwedeng parisan for the next day. That's what strong leg retention. Yung isa naman, bonus leg. So, what if kung silver ka lang? May same scenario, 50,000, nagparisan 10,000, 8%, di ba? May $800 ka. So, ang maximum payout ng diamond, ng silver, 300 lang. So, imbis na kung diamond ka, 1,200, silver ka lang, 300 lang matatanggap mo. So, this is how important na dapat diamond yung first account mo. Especially, yung lahat ng accounts mo as much as possible. Later on, as you progress in the business. So, ang ma-minus dyan, 3,000. So, may 47,000 ka for tomorrow para parisan. Okay, mantaki mo kung ano ka, kung everyday, meron kang 300 everyday, yung pairing mo, $300 times 30 days. Kung mari silver ka lang, meron kang $9,000 per month. 9,000 times 50. That's 450,000 pesos every month. Sa pairing pa lang yun, sa bonus number 4 pa yun. Hindi pa kasama yung bonus 1, 2, 3. Diba? This is bonus number 4 only. Kung gold ka, same scenario. 900, That's 1.8 million monthly. If diamond ka, 100, that's almost 5 million. More than 5 million monthly. Sa bonus number 4 pa lang siya. Yun yung maximum, guys, na pwede mong kitain. So again, bonus number 5, ito yung maganda sa bonus number 5. Sa lahat ng downlines mo, lahat ng tao mo na kumikita sa bonus number 4, ito yung bonus number 4, guys, di ba? Lahat ng taong kinuha mo at kinuha mo, meron kang komisyon. So, example, yung first generation mo, pag silver ka hanggang 4th generation. Pag diamond, pag gold hanggang 5th, pag diamond hanggang 6th. Example yan, ganito. Si silver, ayan, nakakuha siya ng isang tao, 10%, di ba? Yung nakuha niya, lahat ng direct nun, may kang 5%. Let's say si Maddie, nakuha mo ako, di ba? Kumi-income ako ng $1,000 daily. So si Maddie, since na first generation ako, meron siyang 10% of 1,000, meron siyang $100. Right? Ako leader ako, so I will get more than 10. Let's say I took 10 people, 10 leaders. So out of those 10, may 5% ka. So 5% of the 10 people ang laki nun. Right? And from the 10 people na kumuha ng tagsa-10 rin, leaders, so 100 people, you have 5% of those 100 people, Maddie. And those 100 people just took, let's say, 2 each. So meron kang 200 people, you have 5% of the 200 people. Eh what if kung gold ka hanggang 5th generation yan? Habang lumalalim yan, dumadami yung nakukuha mo. Okay? Ito yung example niya, no? So, according to the leaders, dito yung pinakamalaking income sa bonus number 5. As you go along in the business, dito yung pinakamalaking income. Kasi lahat talaga, kumikita sa bonus number 4. Kasi merong second pair, third pair, fourth pair, hindi mo maiiwasan. Magkakaroon talaga yon. Okay? So, but again, in order for you to get the bonus 4 and 5, you need to do the maintenance. Kung ayaw nyo mag-maintain, ang makukuha nyo lang bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3. Sayang yung bonus 4 and 5. Okay? Ito yung summary. Ngayon, paano mag-maintain? Ito yung papasok yung back-end income. So, ito 100% cash. Yung bonus na yung uni-level bonus, ito, all you have to do is maintain $30 monthly. Merong equivalent na points to, 21 points. So, monthly, kailangan may $30 ka. So, since I started, no, I never took $30 from my pocket. Galing yan sa bonus ko. Kumikita ko ng $2,000, ano ba naman yung $30? Promise. So, again, bibigyan ko yung example. You maintain $30 galing sa bonus nyo, hindi galing sa wallet nyo. So, every month, let's say you maintain for 13 months. Kasi yung $30, guys, yung maintenance nyo, pupunta sa voucher, magiging voucher siya. So, let's say $30, 13 months ka nag-maintain, so that's 390, right? So, 390, magkano sa Pilipinas? 380, di ba? Pwede mo ibili ng iTera Care. O may sukli ka pang $10, di ba? So, napunta siya sa voucher mo. So, nag-maintain ka na ng account, nagbo-bonus number 4 and bonus number 5 ka, so, ipapalit mo ng voucher yung yung maintenance mo kasi nako-convert sa voucher. Di ba? Plus, sa lahat ng tao na nagme-maintain sa organization mo, meron kang $0.63. Okay? $0.63. Yun yung maintenance. Yun yung per tao. Okay? Example, ito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng example. Yung 2 tao, kumuha lang ng tagdadalawa, up to the 20th generation, for the sake of argument, you have this much of people. For 1 month, kung lahat yung perfect talaga, kumikita ka sa bonus number 6 ng $1.3 million because each person merong 0.63, 38 pesos yan kada tao na nagme-maintain. So, for the sake of argument, 1% na lang, 1% na lang ng 1.3. Ang laki pa rin nun. So, if you have 1,000 people na nagme-maintain sa organization mo, para makuha yung bonus number 4 and bonus 5, so ayan, meron kang 63. After 4 years, 5 years in the business, marami ka ng tao sa ilalim mo, leaders, na nagme-maintain, you have this passive income na pwede mangyari. Okay? This is the bonus number 6, guys, no? So, again, napupunta sa voucher at may $0.63 ka. Bonus number 7 is the rank up. Kasi pag nagra-rank up ka, pag nagwa 1 star ka, 2 star ka, gusto mo mag-level up, so you have bonuses extra. So, pag 1 star ka, may $300 ka. Pag naging Crown Ambassador ka, meron kang $16 extra bonus. Okay? Paano mag 1 star? Madi, let's say if you want to 1 star, 2 directs mo. Whether left and right or right and right, basta 2 directs mo, magkaiba, 2 direct, si Juan tsaka si Maria. So, let's say they took 10,000 points for 2 months. Okay, this is 2 months accumulation. Normally 1 month yan but we have a bonus today. Ginawa nilang 2 months. For 2 months, si Juan nakakuha ng 10,000 sa group niya. Si Maria rin nakakuha ng 10,000 sa group niya. So automatically, si Maddie 1-star manager. All you have to do, Maddie, is to help 2 people. Accumulate 10,000 points. Group yan, group. Si Juan maraming grupo sa baba. So 10,000 points. That's like 5 pros. O kaya naman 4 na oxytop. Okay? So accumulation of points yan. So para maging 2-star ka, Maddie, help Juan and Maria to become 1-star also. May 10,000 na sila, di ba? So tutulong lang din sila ng friends nila, ng members nila mag-accumulate ng 10,000. So in order for you to become 3-star, help Jose Maria to become 2-star, And in order for you to be Sapphire Director, pag natulungan mo sila maging 3-star. Kasi pag Sapphire Director ka na, ayan, 2-star, si Jose Maria, naging 3-star manager. So, 0.1% may profit sharing ka na. Yung bumibenta sa Japan, na hindi mo kakilala, bumibenta sa Europe, na hindi mo meron kang 0.1% profit sharing. Okay? This is paid annually. Papasok sa bonus wallet mo. So, apart from that, may mga travel incentives yan eh. Indonesia, Japan, Thailand. I'm not, but itong dalawa, itong tatlo, Diamond Director, tsaka Round Ambassador, US trips yan eh. Good for 2. Okay? So, pag Crown Ambassador ka, 8 tao lang, oh. You have 8 leaders, no? Dito sa business na ito, hindi mo kailangan napakaraming tao. All you have to do, just for a start, 2 leaders lang. 2 lang. Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan ng 100 tao. All you have to do, at least 2 good leaders. Then, gradually, if you have 8 leaders who become 3-star, Crown Ambassador ka. Yung Crown Ambassador natin ngayon, she's a nurse. She's name is Gloria Quaresma. She's earning 1 million pesos a day in price. Grabe yung ano niya, income niya talaga, promise. She's the number 1 price distributor sa buong mundo. She's a nurse. Again, a summary, 2 classic, may 260 ka. 2 pros, diamond, may $3,200 ka. This is how much you will earn, ha? For, again, ito yung summary. Lahat yan users, lahat ng bumibili ng iTerra puro users. 2% lang ang business builder. 90% ng income nandun sa business builders eh. So, I want you to be at least be a business builder, guys. Global statistics, natatapa lang natin less than 1% for the last 3 years. Less than 1% pa lang. And for ladies, no, gumagamit kayo ng hair dryers. Alam nyo ba, in 2023 alone, ang Amerika, they are selling 61,000 units per day of hair dryers. Diba? Magkaka-Alzheimer's ka dyan, no? Puro radiation yan, binubuga mo sa utak mo, no? Why not ladies, no? Encourage yung mga ladies, other ladies, no? Instead of using hair dryers, why not use the iTerra Hair? Maski itong classic lang, no? Diba? So, again, ang goal lang natin, isang device lang per household. 1 device per household. So, this is our perfect strategy. At least if you can do it, I'm sharing it to you right now. This is you, this is you, this is you. At least try to have 3 heads, okay? So, congratulations, Dennis. You already have this one. Maddie, you have already 3 heads? If possible, no? Then 8.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
8 leaders, 8 leaders. So 4 sa left, 4 sa right. Okay? This is the perfect strategy. Do it and teach to do the same to your 8 leaders. Yung leader 1, leader 2. Pag kumuha na itong, bibigyan ko yun ng example. Pag si leader 1, naging 3 yung account niya, 3. Yung susunod na kukunin niya, pang bonus number 4 na. Papasok na yung bonus number 4 mo. At saka bonus number 5.
Wow.
Oo, pasok na yun. Kasi ang bonus number, it will apply to 4th generation down eh. Tama, di ba? Eh, ang first generation mo, first generation mo si number 2. Ang second generation mo si number 1. Eh, yung kukunin number 1.
Yeah.
Number 3 na yun eh. Yung number 2 niya. Si leader 1 ha. Focus on leader. Yung number 2 niya, 3rd generation mo na yun. So, yung ibig sabihin, sa kukunin nung number 2 mo na yun, yung leader number 1, papasok na sa bonus number 4. Pasok na sa bonus number 4. Ganun din sa left side. So, magpaparis na yan, no? Sa left side. Here, you will already earn. Yan. Ito, kikita, dito pa lang sa 1 and 2, kumita na to eh. Kung kumari, puro classic. Ikaw, Dennis, pag in-enter nyo sa'yo, meron ka ng $260 eh. Si number 1 mo, may $260 na yan. Then, as you get Bernardita, put mo sa left, sa leader 1. Si Eleanor, put mo sa leader 2. O, leader 2. O kaya, isabay mo. Kaya, isabay mo si leader 2 sa si Eleanor. Isabay mo kay Bernardita as a price, no? Because lahat ng ilalagay ni Bernardita, papasok kay leader 2. As pairing yun eh, as pairing. Mantakin mo, meron ka na dito. Nag-pair na tong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pumari sa 5, 6, 7, 8. So, kung na-build mo na yung left mo, at saka yung left ng right, tsaka mo na later on i-start yung right ng left. Ito, tsaka na to. Huwag mo munang gagalawin yan. Kasi along the way, you will be able to get leaders, tsaka mo dyan ilalagay. Per country, let's say, dito ilagay mo yung Europe. Dun sa kabila, Asia. Sa kabila, Amerika. Pag-iwalay-iwalay niyo yung countries para at least mas ma-maximize yung potential ng income ng company. So
Yeah.
this is the best perfect strategy. Monkey see, monkey do, just do it, perfectly. You may or you may not. Wala tayong ano doon. But if only because same effort, same chika, but times 3 ang kita.
Yeah.
Then you will regret it later on. Oy, sayang. Dapat pala, sinabay ko na. Sayang. Kasi later on, magagamit nyo itong right ng right. Itong right ng left, at saka right ng right. Magagamit yan balang araw. But not for now. Just follow the left principle. And these are the people who are, using iTeracare has been, blessed because of iTeracare device. So, see you all at the top. Nasabi ko sa inyo to, yung 100% belief system. Narinig niyo na to?
Di pa. Di pa, sir.
Di ba? Kasi here, you should have 100% belief system. Okay? Kailangan may 100% belief kayo sa product, sa company, sa marketing plan, sa upline, kay Sir Jeff, kay upline Gloria. Okay? Because dun lang, yun ang magpo-propel sa inyo to create an action. Because if you don't believe, there will be no action. You should have 100% belief plus action, you'll have 100% results. Okay? So, kasi nga, bilang OFW, bilang tao, bilang tatay at nanay, bilang anak, andito tayo sa ating current situation ngayon sa point A natin. Ito yung current situation natin, wala tayong trabaho, mababang sweldo, baon sa utang, OFW tayo, stress na sa trabaho, matagal na tayong OFW pero parang wala pa rin nangyayari, alam mo yun? Tapos basta kung ano yung current situation, o kaya may sakit ka, o ang mga challenges mo. So, kaya tayo nagtatrabaho, nagsisimikap kasi gusto natin makarating sa point B. Okay? Ano ba yung nasa point B? Yung nasa point B, andyan yung mga pangarap natin. Ano pangarap natin sa point B? Ayan. Ayan, lang. Ayan, gusto mo magkaroon ng bahay, dream house. Siyempre, may swimming pool, as much as possible, sasakyan. Siyempre, savings. Sino ba nang ayaw ng savings? Ipon, sa bangko. Siyempre, school ng mga bata, travel. Sino bang ayaw mag-travel? Diba? Ito yung mga pangarap natin bilang tao. Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho, yung mga businesses, condominiums, apartments, farm sa pagtanda. Diba? Ang sarap pag to? Because naniniwala kasi ako na the enemy of a best life is a good life. Pag naniwala na tayo na kontento na ako sa good life, malayo nating marating yung best life kasi we want the best for our family, di ba? So, from point A to point B, kailangan nating magtrabaho, kumilos, magnegosyo. Yun ang gusto natin marating sa buhay, di ba? Tama, kaya tayo nag-OFW. But between point A and point B, meron dagat na naghahati. Ito yung mga challenges, problema, mga tasks na dapat natin gawin, mga trabaho na dapat natin gawin para makarating from point A to point B. Okay, di ba? Pwede natin languin yan. Ngayon, nagtrabaho tayong OFW, natrabaho tayong mga 30 years, 40 years, ilang taon na tayong nagtrabaho Possible na mangyari yan Pero matagal, di ba? Minsan, hindi mo pa maabot, hindi ka pa nga nakabili ng may sariling apartments mo. Hindi naman lahat, pero mostly, ganun yung mga OFW. But, meron akong isa-suggest sa inyo. Meron akong bangka. Speedboat, ang pangalan, Thrive iTeracare. Okay? Naniniwala ako, kapag sumakay ka sa bangka ko, mas mabilis ka makakarating from point A to point B. Para marating mo yung, ma-reach mo yung mga pangarap mo, makasama yung mga, makapag-travel ka, makabili yung gusto mong lahat sa buhay, because we want the best life for our family. Tama? So, ngayon, pwede mo naman languin yan di ba? Pero, pag sumakay ka sa bangka, by the way, kailangan mo magbayad ng pamasahe, kailangan bumili ng iTeracare. Mas maganda nga pag 3 ticket ang bibilin mo. Di ba? 3 ticket ang bibilin mo. Kumbaga, parang triple heads, di ba? Kasi naniniwala ako, pag nagbayad ka ng pamasahe, mas mabilis ka makakarating from point A to point B. Okay? So, naniniwala ako na ito lang yung tanging paraan at tanging yung makakatulong sa atin ngayon bilang sa ganda ng produkto, sa ganda ng marketing plan, mas mapapabilis yung ating pagbiyahe from point A to point B. Kasi naniniwala ako kay Gloria Cauresma. Siya yung upline natin. Naniniwala ko kay Sir Jeffrey na tumutulong din sa atin. Okay? So, not unless wala tayong 100% belief system, hindi mangyayari lahat na ito. Kung nagda-doubt ka, baka pagsakay ko ng bangka, bumagyo, malunod, may mga sharks, no? Dapat tanggalin natin yung mga negative thoughts sa ating utak. Puro positive mindset lang tayo. Sa true price, mas mababilis natin yung pagbiyahe natin from point A to point B. So yun lang, at least meron kayong natutunan. Dapat ganito rin yung mindset nyo sa mga taong kinukuha nyo. Naniniwala ako pare na ang price lang ang tanging makakahatid sa iyo ng mas mabilis, no? From point A to point B. Kaya sakay ka na, bayad ka ng pamasahe, bili ka ng iTera Care. So yun yung mindset natin kasi tumutulong tayo sa ating mga tao, either health-wise or business-wise. Okay, guys? So ito yung ating simple presentation for today. I hope meron kayong natutunan at may apply sa ating marketing plan. So,
Yes.
Maddie, Ruby,
Yeah.
yan.
Thank you very much.
Okay,
It's a
thank you
great
so much.
presentation.
Hopefully we're able to get some juice of it. So it's mostly paulit-ulit lang pag nag-present tayo, almost paulit-ulit. Just try to also try to watch other presentations. At least kuha kayo nito, kuha kayo nito. We'll be using the same words, getting the same, use the same, adjectives para at least hindi naman, we are not convincing people, we're just sharing to them the health benefits. Sabi nga, it's a sin not to share the health benefits of the iTera Care. Di ba?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
so
Thank you very much.
hopefully business-wise, health-wise,
Very
just share it. So, huwag kayong madamot na alam niyo nakikita mo naglilimp yung lola na-stroke yung huwag kayong mahiya. It's a they need us more than we need them. Tandaan niyo yun. Because you have a device that can help them. So it's a people helping people business. Help your downlines also, help your people. Try to explain and try to at least try to practice also. I also did practicing. So right now I'm still practicing at least pagkausap ko, iniisip ko nagpa-practice lang ako Ganun yung mindset ko. Para at least practice lang ako. 'Di ba? So until ma-perfect natin yung natin, yung confidence natin, yung paano pagpe-present, both products and the business. So at least ma-duplicate ko kayo later on, kayo na magdo-duplicate sa mga teams nyo. Okay, do lagi tayong nandito because we are one community. We are one goal para makatawid ng mas mabilis from point A to point B. Okay? So thank
That's
you
right.
for today, and if
Thank
you have
you
other
very
movies,
much. Yeah.
thank you so much, and we'll be doing a lot of Zooms. We'll